was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly. Made some.
What it do, man? Sitting there, Chevy boy. We out here, baby. That little brother pulled up on us. Little brother pulled up on me. Up here at the shop with that clean, with Landusa, man. Y'all been asking about Landusa too, man. I ain't even showed it since he did what he did, man. You know, we steady got them upgrades steady coming, man. Yes, sir. Got them things on there, man. Artiste 26s. Y'all see it. Looking good, boy. Y'all see it, man. Landusa. He coming, man. He coming. Y'all see it. And he got the tag on that junk. Repping the gang. Repping the gang, man. Squad.
Dirty, man.
Huh?
Dirty.
Y'all see him, man. You gonna get used to it. Oh, you had wheels on that truck before.
Yeah,
you had wheels, so you know about them. Y'all see what he got? You know about them microfibers.
Yeah.
Gotta keep some on deck. Yes, sir.
Dirty.
We out here, man. Now you want me to do a ride along, man? I'm damn near scared, but I got a couple minutes for my next one come in, so we gonna go on hit a corner right quick. Y'all wanna hit a corner? Y'all wanna hit a corner, man, for my next client come? All right, let's do it. Okay, yeah, because he have freshened up under the hood. Remember we talked about all that? He's gonna freshen it up. He did that too.
Waiting on them to come in.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Oh, this been painted, man.
Yeah, see you painted the side, man. Got it looking real crispy under here, man. 6'2", LT 6'2" at that. So he waiting on his jugs, man. His coolant reservoir and windshield washer fluid jug. Looking good, baby. Looking good.
I ordered it, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it in. Probably I might send it back and just take it out and just make it look clean.
Which one? Oh yeah. Cause when I do mine, I'm gonna delete that.
That's what I said.
Yeah, I'm gonna delete that, and I think over here I'm gonna run with one of them little silver joints.
Yeah.
The little
they make a lot of
one.
them. Look on Amazon. You probably not even get the silver joint.
Oh, okay.
Because this one is sit just like this, but it's a box. It almost look like how the intake made. It slope up.
Yeah.
It made just like that, but it's a box.
Okay.
It's black.
Oh, well, I got options.
They got it this color and they got it black, like a black steel joint. And that's what I ordered. I'll show you.
Big. Oh, so you didn't go back with a plastic one?
Mm-hmm.
Well, okay, you went different. I got you. Y'all see it, man. Landusa. For whoever asked me about it, they show asked.
She coming on, man. And this just temporary. These wheels temporary. I still got big plans for it, man.
Y'all hear it?
Still big plans.
Temporary wheels, man. Just get out here and ride and have some fun, man. So we're gonna do a little ride along. Let's get it. You gotta keep these, man. You gotta keep them. One of them on. Don't play, man. And we got AC. What y'all think? What type of game y'all thought it was, man? And we got AC, man. Quit playing. Yeah. This how you do, man. Get with your folks, have fun, enjoy the car, man. No competing. No competing, man. He saw me about to record. He said, come on, do a little ride along right quick.
I couldn't get you in the Mustang.
Hell no.
I'm gonna get you in it though. Around the corner, I know they say the boys was out here.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Love the X-Men, boy.
Show feel good. Man, them more, that's so nice, man. That's that side by side with the AC, y'all. Y'all see them those photos? He got it tinted out. That junk so gangster, man. Then he pulling with the big dude.
That's a clean setup.
Man, that junk clean. turn it around, man. Turn it around. Whoa now. Yeah, man, that LT power, man. Straight out the Camaro, baby. Straight out the Camaro. What year your model?
18.
18. 2018.
They're just hitting it without double tapping the pedal.
Yeah.
Then you can double tap the pedal and put it in the right gear.
That's crazy.
All the new technology. Paddle shifters coming in.
What's coming next?
Paddle shifter.
Man, say
Good
paddle
paddle
shifter.
shifter.
Y'all hear him, man. I'm glad they caught hills in front of us.
So we're gonna go back.
I'm glad they joined in front of us, man.
Let you feel it now.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna go and put this video up. Since it's short, I'm 2 weeks behind. I'm gonna throw this one up probably tonight or tomorrow.
You hear it, I'm gonna double tap it.
Get up out of it. Y'all see, I got quiet then, boy. Hold on, y'all, this ball lane. Hello. Oh, okay, give me 1 second, I'm already talking to Mo. I'll call you right back. All right, I'll say, hey.
So what's up, what's up?
He said, what's up? Yeah. Yeah, man, boss lady checking in on me. So that nigga, you gotta get up out of that, man. Man, y'all see I got quiet. The more he got in it, the quiet I got, man.
That thing pulling
Man,
on
I
the
swear it pulling, man. It pulling, dog. Definitely won't be last to get to the spot.
Oh no.
You won't be
alright
last.
for what it's built and
Yeah,
what it's for.
yeah, man. Good old school, man. Blowing AC. That's why I love these projects, man. So y'all seen this car when he first bought it, remember? He bought it up there, I think E-Clad. Did somebody wash it up there at the shop one time? Yeah, when he first got it, man. So
the approval video.
Yeah. Bought about that to let me see it. So y'all see, man, he is coming together. He enjoying his car. And that one thing about him, my partner and them, people be telling me, man, I saw your little bro out there in North Memphis.
Yeah, well,
But man, the man be everywhere in this joint. He ride it, he do not hide it, man. For real.
look.
Yes, sir, man. That's what you're supposed to do. That's what you're supposed to do. I swear it is, man.
Did it one more time.
Red's been in it yet? With you?
Oh, yeah, once.
With the wheel?
Not with the wheel.
Oh, okay. Break my goddamn neck. Man, caught me off guard, then. Oh, he got me then, y'all. Man, got me then. Hey, he got me. I'll get him back.
It's coming.
It's only a matter of time, man. I'll definitely get him back, man.
I love them pets. They don't be ready for it.
Yeah. Yes, sir, man. So make sure y'all drop down in the comments, man. Y'all like that. Y'all already, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, man, make sure you subscribe. Y'all already know, man. My little bro, Big Mo. This Landusa we riding in, and we out here to have fun, man. enjoy these whips and have fun. So until the next video, y'all stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, baby. Connect and never compete. All right.
My 7,